I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the site so changes are safe and reversible. Install and activate the Themify Builder plugin, enter your license, and make a full backup. Once done, enable debug if you expect conflicts, then open the exact page where the widget will live and switch into Themify Builder editing mode. This gets you straight into the working canvas. Make sure to work on a staging copy if the page is live to avoid user disruption. You now add the widget module and tailor its behavior. Drag a Themify widget or custom HTML module into the desired row, then populate text, images, or shortcodes. Next, adjust styling, typography, colors, spacing, and responsive breakpoints so it looks right on mobile and desktop. Once configured, save it as a global widget or preset to reuse. This speeds future edits and ensures consistency. Also apply animation or conditional display if needed to control when the widget appears. You finish by saving and publishing the page, then clear any server, theme, or plugin cache so changes appear for visitors. Once live, test the widget on desktop and mobile, and if you need it in a widget area, drop the Themify widget or paste the generated shortcode into Appearance widgets. If something breaks, first disable caching and conflicting plugins, then check the browser console for errors. As a last resort, roll back to your backup. That single troubleshooting tip, disable cache first, often reveals the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.